Is this thing on? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Ricarti. It's been like 7 days since our last post on this video, on this channel. I've been posting short content, but I feel like that doesn't count. I mean, yeah, it's short content, shorts on here, but I feel like a real video is a real video. It's more effort into it. But honestly, y'all, I just been brainstorming for August, you know, just getting everything planned out and stuff like that. So yeah, but in today's video, we are doing a big, huge Temu open haul. So Temu sent me a big fat package. It's over there. I'm gonna go grab it, and we about to see what they sent me. It's really heavy. So let's get right to it. Without further ado, make sure you like, comment, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Let's jump right to it. Let's do it. You know what? I'm just gonna. That's how we gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna grab stuff. It was colorful, so I'm gonna grab this. Ooh, these hard. They're like red. They're red, like camo pants. No, these hard, like jorts. These are hard. Oh yeah, these are hard. Oh my God, these are so tough. Bro, Temu got some good stuff. I don't know why people sleep on Temu. This is good quality. No, these are hard, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I'm just gonna be grabbing stuff. Uh-oh, I got a pair of pants. They got paint on them. These hard. I like the paint. I'm gonna keep it 100. I like the paint, but the stars a little bit throw it off just a little bit. But I like the paint on them. I'm still gonna wear these, and then I'm gonna flare the bottoms. So I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been doing some real cool stuff with my fashion. Like usually I will sew them. I don't know how to sew. I have my girlfriend sew them, but I just been cutting the size of them, like right here, and they'll be more flared. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I've been getting so much compliments of how I've been doing my pants. Literally. No, I can get a nice fit with these though. Make it look tough though. It might look tough when I put it on though, so we shall see. All right, next one. Something blue. Is it a jean jacket? Nope, jorts. Ooh, summer jorts, baby. I love my jorts, man. Definitely summer vibes. These cool. I have a fit I can put with these. Quality. W quality. Saw something pink. Let's see what it is, man. These have to be for my woman. These ain't for me, bruh. They're like cross and they're pink. These are hard though, but these are not for me. I could wear these. Nah, I don't think I could pull these off. These for my girl probably. A lot of brands be sending my girl stuff. These are for her. Okay, we got a hat. It's an Ace hat. Damn, that shit hurts. Oh, this is a snapback. If this was a fitted, this would be hard. I'm still gonna wear it though. It's gonna be hard putting my locks. I'm definitely gonna wear it though. I'll wear it when I take these out or something. Yeah, my hair's too big, bro. I gotta do it when I take my locks out. Yeah, see? I haven't worn hats in a minute. It's gonna look harder when I wear a watch. It's gonna be hard. Something pink. Oh, these are hard. Oh yeah, these are hard. It's a double set. Oh yeah. This is a beach type of vibe for sure. Oh my God, this is gonna be a hard fit. This is gonna be a W fit. Yeah, it's like light bubble gum color. Yeah, with my locks out, it's gonna be a hard fit. Beach vibes for sure. Next one. All right. Something black, man. Let's see what it is. Uh-oh. Another pair of black flared jeans. Anything flared, I rock with it. They're flared, I love it. And black's my favorite color right now, so bug it. I think this is a shirt, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my gosh, the material feels so amazing, y'all. What the heck? Bro, this is such good quality. Nah, this is hard. It says M or something. I don't know how to pronounce that. Y'all can read that if y'all want to. Nah, this is good quality. What the heck? This is good quality shirt. Well, I could wear a cool raid with this. I think this is another shirt or shorts. Oh, it's a shirt. Okay, it's a cutoff shirt. It's summertime, you know, so this is cool. And it says Paris. Now this is hard. Hey, this is hard, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this is definitely hard. Yeah, this is hard. That's hard. I can't wait to wear this. I love, my style this summer is cut sleeve shirts, big t-shirts that's cropped, and then jorts. So these, I could wear them with that pants too. No, this is gonna be hard. All black with it. I don't know what this is. Something black. It's looking like a headscarf. Oh, my hair's so thick. Is this how you do it? Is that do it? I think that is. I gotta figure it out. This shit tight as hell. I'll figure it out. I braided my locks. So I never had braids before. So my locks are so thick. These gonna be hard when I like take these braids out. These are hard. I like this. I like stuff like this for my hair. So I have locks. Appreciate y'all boys. I'm gonna open this one first. Ooh! Ooh, this hard. This hard. Okay, Temu. This hard. It's hard. I ain't gonna lie, it's hard. This is me. Or I can go like this. This hard. Bro, can y'all do me a favor? Let me talk to y'all right quick. I need to talk to y'all. Can y'all do me a big favor? Stop sleeping on Temu, please. They got some good stuff. Like, this is quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. This is quality. The belt, like, this is quality. Trust me, bro. This is quality. This is quality. This is quality. So please do me a favor. Stop sleeping on Temu, please. Also, tote bag. This shit little as hell. But I can make it work. Low key, I can like draw with it too. I could put like spray paint, put Ricarti or something. I feel like that'd be hard. Like some red and wear a red, like something red in my fit. Yeah, this would be hard. It's a tote bag. No, this hard. I'm gonna spray paint it and make it. I'm gonna make it colorful and stuff. It's gonna be hard. All right, I'm seeing jewelry. So I'm gonna open the package and stuff first. Let's do this one. Oh, another tote bag. This was bigger. This is what I'm talking about. It says, God says I am. No, hey. Yo. I can wear this tote bag with the pink beach fit. You know what I'm saying? It got the same type of pink in it. Where is that at? It got the same type of pink in it. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's over with. Hey, my feet about to be so tough. This is hard though. This is definitely hard. Alright. I don't know, something black, so I grabbed it. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, Temu, y'all packaging be hard as hell to open. I'm gonna keep it 100 on that end. Like, bro, this stuff hurt my fingers. This is what is this? A stuck cat? This is gonna hurt my hand. My locks are so thick. Yeah, I can't wear it. It hurts. That hurts because it is my locks. And this is a bonnet. Okay. I got me a new bonnet, silky mode. I don't think I had a silky bonnet. It's hard. Okay. Oh, I got a do-rag. Okay. Bro, I've been wanting a do-rag for a cool minute. My other do-rag suck. This is a silky do-rag. Oh, it's over with. Temu, y'all should not do this to me, bro. Appreciate y'all boys. They looking out, you know? Gotta keep my locks maintenance, so. Got me a fresh bonnet. Alright. This is like jewelry. It's looking like jewelry. So we have to open that up. The first one. Oh, this is a wallet chain. That's been my style lately too. This is how you do it. So basically you just put it up to your buckle and wear it like this. Appreciate y'all. I'm definitely wearing this all the time, bro. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. Where the other go? Hell yeah. Appreciate y'all boys. One right here. Oh, that's another one. No, this is hard. With the spikes. That's another wallet chain. No, this is hard. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all, Temu. 2 wallet chains, bet. This is a cross, I think. This is kind of small, but I have a gold chain, and then it's a gold piece. Hard. Hold on, y'all. I'm not gonna use this one because I got a bigger chain. Watch this. This hard. Ooh, this hard. All black with the gold. So I got a all black cross. I got a gold one now, and then I got a silver. I got a gold, silver, and black. I've been wanting a gold one so bad because I wear my silver one with my gold. I wear a bracelet. It's a gold bracelet. I wear it all the time. It's my favorite bracelet in the world. I have to wear it. I just have to. Every fit I wear it. I don't know why. It's like my good luck charm. But I wear it with the silver. It doesn't go with it. So now I can wear the gold with the gold. Bro, this is so tough. It's like detailed on it. Yeah. Appreciate y'all with this, but I'm gonna rock with this one. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all boys. And this is like a bracelet. Let's see, it's like a silver bracelet. And this is hard, but it doesn't fit me. My wrist is too big. So I'm gonna get that to my girl. She can have that, because I can't fit it. Maybe it's for her anyways. Like that. And then I got this. I think it's a necklace. I could lucky make it to a bracelet. But it's a necklace. I mean, I guess. I don't know. It's cool, I guess. I'm probably gonna make it to a bracelet though. or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Is that it? Yep, that's the end of it, y'all. All right, y'all, so as I was editing the video, I went down to my mailbox and I have a package. So we're gonna open this package and see what's in it, okay? Let's do it. This is a brand that sent me some stuff. Y'all, I just want to say I'm blessed that brands can just send me stuff. Like, I literally get paid. It's not about the money, but it's cool that I get paid to put outfits on and show the world and create content. Like, that's a blessing I'll never take for granted, you know? So, this looks like a shirt. This is a shirt, I believe. Another shirt. This is a bucket hat. My locks, okay. Pair of socks. This is a brand. Pair of socks. I'm pretty sure this is a pair of shorts or pants. And then a strap back. Like, got more outfits to create, man. This is a blessing, man. Honestly. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all, boys. I don't know why I've been saying appreciate y'all, boys, for a long time, but I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I got definitely some drip. Shout out to Temu. You know, I'm excited. I'm about to create some fits on my Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram, by the way. It's rsuggs23. It'll be down in the description down below. It's free. So, if y'all want me to do a try-on haul, let me know. All right, how about this? If I get this video to 10 likes, I'll do a try-on haul. I'll try every outfit on. Cause my last video I did it, I've been getting a little kind of engagement. So if I get 10 likes, I'll do a try-on haul. Okay? I'm out this thing, no chicken wing. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.